morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today we need a very much needed post-travel reset, get back on track vlog. The last few weeks have been an absolute whirlwind. Starting in October, I had a friend visit, and then I went to Arizona, and then I went to Vancouver in between there. Then I went to Arizona, and then I went to Vancouver. I got back yesterday. Blessed. Beyond blessed. I've had so much fun, been able to spend quality time with so many people that I care about and that I love, and seeing beautiful places, but like, your girl's pooped. Like, I slept 10 hours last night. Do you want to see my sleep score actually? I woke up though so happy because I needed that so bad. I literally slept for 10 hours. God bless. I do feel like a brand new human, but I do think I need about 3 or 4 more of those in order to feel like my wide-eyed, bushy-tailed full self. But that's why we're gonna do all the things to set us up for success. I'm also going to tie in my winter art approach. I know on Instagram we're all talking about how we're locking in the great lock-in of the winter in terms of our fitness and our health. I'm joining in my own way. I did get a trainer because I think I really need that external motivation and somebody else to make my programs and to hold me accountable. I feel like since the marathon, 1, I've been dead, and 2, I've just been like, I don't have it in me. So I'm doing starting off with a 16-week program. So it actually goes into March, I think. I'm tracking macros. I get workouts. We have goals. I send progress pics. It's like the whole shebang. And this is week 1. So we're actually going to go and do one of my first workouts. It's just a cardio and abs day, but I thought it's perfect because I can bring you guys along. I don't know. It took me a while to admit that I needed that external source of motivation, but I'm also like, I'm only human, you know? Like, it's okay that if I don't want to coach and train myself, you know? Totally fine. So I'm really happy that I just made that decision and did it. I do have an appointment with my dietitian at noon, and then I also have an appointment to get my eyebrows waxed and laminated because they've been giving me grief. It is time for a touch-up. That's at 3 p.m. I have a concept due for work. I also have to do some coaching stuff because I have my Mindset Made for More program, which we're already in week 6. It ends in 2 weeks, which is absolute bonkers. Like, where's the time going? Anyways, let's pitter patter, let's get at her and go to the gym. Our workout is done. I feel like that was a really good one to intro me to the program. It was 30 minutes on the stairs, heart rate between 125, 135, and then some abs. The ab circuit, I thought I was gonna cry, but we just got it done. It feels so good. I feel like having a trainer or a coach, it's like exactly what I want, and I'm so excited to start feeling and seeing results. I'm so excited. Look at all the leaves. Oh my gosh, it is the prettiest fall day. I just got to my go-to coffee spot, Analog. I need to grab my monies out of my wallet on the other side. It's so funny because there's so many of us that come here like every single day. So I always feel like I run into somebody whenever I come here. I feel like I'm officially a regular. This is what it's like being a regular. Okay, it's now 1:32. I spontaneously came to Morgan's house because in between getting my coffee and meeting my mom for coffee, it was an awkward amount of time, so I just came here. My mom and I postponed our coffee because it was only gonna be about 15 minutes before my call started. So I've now been working. I hopped on my call. I've just got some things out of the way. Now I'm gonna go get another coffee with Morgan, but then it'll be time to get these eyebrows dealt with. I'm really hoping, like, I have the coarsest eyebrow hair ever. It just likes to curl. So I'm really hoping with the lamination, they will stay in place, but the ends are really thin. So with them laminated, I'm worried it's gonna look really spaced out, and it's hard to fill in your eyebrows when they're laminated. Well, that was my experience. But anyways, that's what's happening. Willie, you wanna meet the vlog? Willie went pee on his pee pad, so he got some special foods. Hi, didn't you, Willie? Do you want to come to the camera? Crunch, 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 crunch. He said, sorry, ma'am, I don't have time for you. And I obviously still haven't showered since my workout, which I can kind of smell myself, which is disgusting, but I know I've talked a lot about my hormones and how I'm trying to balance them. I will say like one of the symptoms that is telling me that they need help is that my BO is like, it's noticeably bad. Like it is noticeably way worse. I'm someone who, like obviously my sweat doesn't smell like roses, but like it doesn't exactly smell like horrid, but now it smells horrid. And I'm like, this is a cry for help. So, but we're on our way. We're working on it slowly but surely. Okay, Morgan and I got our second coffee of the day. This is not a diet or a full day of eating to take into account because I haven't even eaten anything today. I will say my hunger cues are a bit off, but this is part of the reset, getting back on track after just being out of routine. I am committing to making dinner at home tonight. I think I'm just gonna do ground beef, sweet potato, cottage cheese, and avocado. It's my favorite go-to. And then right now, because I haven't eaten anything, which is horrendous, I'm gonna go to Urban Fare and just find something. Okay, I got some goodies. Spicy tuna roll. And then I also got 2 of my protein donuts, which are my absolute favorite. I feel like you were either an icing kid or you weren't. I was. So this confetti cake pop, it makes me drool. And then for more protein, I just got this smoked salmon. I love this stuff. The ingredients, relatively clean: salmon, salt, black pepper, lime seasoning, tequila, because it's lime tequila, and natural wood smoke. I'm actually just gonna sit in my car, eat, and get some work done. My car is literally, it's my office. I'm feeling satiated. I feel like I have food in my teeth. So if you see something, just mind your business. Yeah, I ate that sushi roll. I had some of that smoked salmon. I'm feeling good, full of protein. Protein makes that muscle lean, you know? It's now 2:46, so that was a perfect time kill. We're looking blue. Okay, I'm finally back home now after my eyebrow appointment. I'm actually obsessed. One time I got my eyebrows laminated and it was the worst experience ever. I just absolutely hated them. I'm like major overheating right now. But I did go to the grocery store. Spencer and I actually also went for coffee with his mom really quick, and then his dad just got a new snowmobile, so he went over there. I stopped at the grocery store. Olives. I've been having all of the cravings for olives. I'm like, am I pregnant? No, I'm not, that's a joke. But I've just been in the mood. I got 1 avocado. Spencer's going to Mexico on Monday, so I am starting to gather him little travel things. These are little, they're called No Days Wasted. I think they're kind of intended if you have a hangover, but essentially they're just really potent electrolytes for travel, late nights, the odd drink here and there. So I got him some packs of those, and then these Immunity Organica tablets, cottage cheese, and then I got us some lean ground beef, sweet potatoes, because we're gonna do that sweet potato, cottage cheese, avocado, ground beef bowl for dinner. And then I got myself a 6-pack, because sometimes your girl needs a drink after a long day. So I'm gonna preheat the oven, then we're gonna get the sweet potatoes in the oven, and we're kind of just starting to set the tone for the evening. I'm driving, Spencer's mom and dad are also going to Mexico tomorrow, and so I'm driving them to the airport in the morning, which it's not even that early, but just after my trip and everything, I just wanna make sure I'm getting really good sleeps. You know, an early morning really starts the night before, so we're setting ourselves up for success. If I burn myself, I swear to God. Okay. So let's get to it. So it turns out that the dog did pee, and he's had about 3 accidents tonight. While we were away in Vancouver, my brother stayed here and looked after Benny, and then my mom and sister also looked after him for a little bit. So we've all kind of been out of routine. A little bit frustrating when there's yellow liquid, piss actually, all over my carpet, but he's just a puppy. He's learning, and all of the research I've done on training puppies is just to positively reinforce instead of discipline the bad behavior. So when he goes pee on his pad and when he goes pee on his turf outside, which I give him, like I take him out there every hour, like at least once an hour, saying like, go potty, go potty. And when he does, I throw a serious puppy party. We dance, we laugh, we sing, we have treats, and he was doing really good up until I left, but now we just have to reteach him some things, but minor. Tomorrow morning I'm getting up at 6, driving Spencer's parents to the airport because we're going to Mexico. And then I'm gonna go and do my second workout of my new workout plan, which I'm really excited for. I just had to boil more water, but yeah, I'm super excited for this plan that I am doing, this coaching program. I think it's really gonna help me. I am happy to bring you guys along with me and share my progress as I go. I'm wearing my watch again because your girl means business. I'm having some magnesium before I go to bed, and I'm gonna do my little wind down routine. I did just do meditation. I've been really off my meditating game, but when I'm on it, I literally feel unstoppable. So my plan is to get going with that. But thank you so much for spending the day with me. Let me know what you want to see below. Let me know what you want to see next time. I'm gonna go to bed. This is my cue. But anyways, let's end the vlog off here. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below because it really supports my channel. And I will see you guys next time. Sweet dreams.